welcome back to my channel. My name is Marwan. So today, because of popular demands of people wanted to learn about Adobe Photoshop, so I guess the best platform to teach you guys is YouTube, because YouTube you can review the tutorial many times. Okay, so without further ado, let's go. Okay, so as you all know, Photoshop is one of the apps that is used by students, even professionals, to edit photos, make a graphic design t-shirt, and many more. So it's actually a very good apps, but just I think the disadvantage of Adobe Photoshop is actually the cost. But don't worry, I have the solution about that. So just PM me about how to get the software. Okay, so without further ado, let's go. So first we are gonna open Photoshop itself. So Photoshop. So as you all see, I am using the Adobe Photoshop CC 2019. Maybe some people use an earlier version of Photoshop, but I think for my tutorial it's valid for people that are using 2018 and above. So let's go. But don't worry, if you guys doesn't have the software, you guys can still PM me and I will teach you on how to get the software. Okay, so actually my computer is not that good, so it take some time to load Photoshop. So I hope you guys stay for a while. Okay, so as you can see, still loading and loading, and you can see that buffer. Okay, so when you enter Photoshop CC 2019, the front page is actually like this. So as you all see, this is actually my current project. So there are more you see of what's the and then this is my ongoing project, and this is Nanya. Inshallah, if I plan to produce this, I will sell it. Okay. So how to start? So in a Photoshop, you can see on the navigation bar above there is File, Edit, Image, Layer, Type, Select, Filter, 3D, View, Window, and Help. But to start, we just need to use these two buttons above. Maybe I think Photoshop under 2018 doesn't have this, but if 2018 and above, we have this. So just create new. Okay. So actually, if you can see on the screen itself, we have present, this is save. So save is actually a for preset, but I don't actually use it because I don't have any preset. Then we have photo. Then this is actually if you want to set your blank document based on the photo. Then you have print, this is for printing. And then you have the paper size stuff such as A4, A6, A5, A3, B5. Then we have art and illustration. This is actually has specific for if you want to do an illustration. And you have web, and then mobile, and then you have film and video. Okay, so what's actually the difference between all of this? Okay, so one, the difference is actually the size itself. As you can see in the photo, the size is based on inch. So as you can see, 7 times 5 inch, 3 times 2 inch, 6 times 4 inch, 7 times 5 inch. And then if you see on the letter, they still use inch, but still there's difference. That's 8.5 times 11 inch, 8.5 times 14 inch, 11 times 17 inch, and this is actually millimeter because A4 is starting to get smaller. And then starting from as an illustration, it's starting to use pixel. So pixel is actually what we call that like, okay, so imagine if you guys have a picture. So the picture is consists of many pixels. The pixel itself is used to build a picture or illustration or drawing. So as you all know, the higher the number of pixels actually carry a greater resolution, but at the price of harder to render it. So it will take a more powerful computer to edit higher pixelated pictures. So you have 1000 times 1000, 2000 times 2000, and then this is actually in inch back, and then this is pixel back. Okay, the second difference is actually the PPI itself. So in a simpler words, PPI means higher PPI means a more color accurate design photos or illustration. So normally for printing, we use 300. For illustration, we use 300 ppi. So as you can see, there's illustration 300 ppi, and then photo we use 300 because photo you use to print, and then for print we have 300. But for web, we only use 72 because web doesn't actually require that accurate ppi. Okay, so this is for preset actually that is set by Adobe itself. So, but you still can custom your blank document itself. So this is width, that's height, the resolution, that is pixel per inch or pixel per centimeter, and then you have color mode. You have this is actually bit for the color, and then you have background content. Okay, so this is actually your preset details. Okay, so for this tutorial, I'm going to use tutorial. Okay, my preset is tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to use this is actually the format of the size of the blank document. You have pixel, inch, centimeters, millimeters, points, and pixels. Normally people use either pixels or inches, but for today's tutorial, I'm going to use pixel. So I'm going for a normal 180p display resolution, which is 190 pixel width height by 180 pixel height. Okay, so for resolution, maybe I'll go for 300 because we need. I tend to show you the accurate my colors profile, and then background resolution, background content, just let it for white. For advanced option, maybe I don't think you guys need to actually give attention about it. So I think this is enough. Okay, let's go. Okay, so as usual, loading. My computer left to load. Okay, so here we go. So this is actually the main interface of Photoshop when you open it. So for me, my current workspace is detached from the docs. Actually, I can insert it on the dock on this side. Okay, so it will appear on it here, but I love to just um let it float, so it's easier for me to use it. And actually, you can see it's floating here. Okay, so the basic interface, as you can see, this is file, edit, image, layers, type, select, filter, 3D view, windows, and help. Okay, so imagine like this is your working space. So you need your utensils, right? So to place your utensils, you need to go to Windows, and there is actually many types of utensils that are produced by that is given by Photoshop. Okay, so to start our tutorial, you just need to follow my workspace first. Then as we go further into the tutorial, maybe we'll use another utensil. So just have adjustment, color, layers, option, tools, and one tutorial on. Okay, so just turn on these things. Okay, we can later when we go deeper into the Photoshop, we will change this. Okay, so I think for the first tutorial, I'm gonna end it here since you guys still need to search for the Photoshop, and you guys need to set your tutorial workspace. So stay tuned for more content and have fun learning Photoshop. Bye bye.